It just so happens that I have my own pair of Blundstones right here, and I'll show you just how it works. Very simple and easy to apply. Beeswax, citrus extract. All you have to do is get a little bit on your hands. I like to use it my hands. If you want to apply it with a sponge or a cloth, you can, as long as you get it on and wipe it off. That's the important thing. All you have to do is work a little bit into your leather. You'll notice right off the bat how quickly it brings the color back. So if you got scratches on the toes, or if you got scuff marks in the winter time, if you're stepping in snow and you got all those salt stains, this will instantly restore the look to the way it was when they were new. It's also good for keeping your leather supple. Leather ages and cracks as it cracks and dries out as it ages. So this will put the moisture back into the boot, preventing the cracking, preventing the drying, and just extending the life of all the leather you have. It will make your leather look better, it's going to make the leather last longer, and most importantly, it will waterproof it for you as well. Rolls off like a duck's back. You can see the difference between the before and the after. It's like night and day.